think it's been a very positive experience for this morning because I think you were able to get different stakeholders from the healthcare ecosystem into one place and discuss very timely topics.
There's been a nice red thread running through the entire conference, a very high level of, or high caliber of speakers, of panelists and of participants.
It's good to have a sharing with your peers, but sometimes you don't really get that overview from the entire system. So for this event, you have representatives from healthcare service providers, telehealth companies, regulators, startup companies. So it's a really good mix of audience.
With regard to how do we better apply health technology, irrespective of industry, irrespective of the specific area of health that we may be working in.
There's a lot of things that we can apply to what we do in our job, especially with the manpower crunch. Having this conference would attending this conference would enable them to see what's out there and look for partners who they can work with so that they can bring a more holistic product to the community.
It's always good to catch up with old friends, but I think, getting introduced to newer friends and also listening to these topics, to understand what's really happening in the industry. So I think this is a really good event and I recommend to others to join as well.
There's a very optimistic feel in the room. It seems that Asia presents people with a boundless opportunity to have an impact and make a difference.